Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today, and today we'll be discussing most important MCQs from your sports related current affairs that are important from past 60 days. So these are the 14 categories in which we have divided all the important news and events. Until now we have covered 9 categories, and today this is our 10th lecture in which we'll be doing sports related current affairs. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. Anshu Malik, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which sports? First of all, why she was in news? Because recently she created history by becoming the first Indian woman wrestler to reach the final of the Wrestling World Championships. And she is just 19 years old. So till now, only 4 Indian women wrestlers have won medals at the World Championship. First is Geeta Fogart in the year 2012. Then Babita Fogart again in the year 2012. Third is Pooja Dhanda in the year 2018 and Vinesh Fogart in the year 2019. And all of them have clinched bronze. So correct answer is option number A, wrestling. Question number 2. Sunil Chhetri, who was in the news recently, is associated with which sports? So Indian professional footballer Sunil Chhetri, who is also the captain of Indian national football team, has recently scored his 77th international goal in a match against Nepal at the SAFF Championships that was held in Male. And this record was made by him in his 123rd match for India. Question number 3. Which racing driver won the Turkish Grand Prix 2021? So this has been won by Valtteri Bottas, and second position was occupied by Max Verstappen, while third was Sergio Perez. Very famous Lewis Hamilton was at 5th position in this race. Okay. Question number 4. Which countries won the Uber Cup and Thomas Cup 2021 respectively? So these cups are the biennial international badminton championship played by women and men national teams of the members of Badminton World Federation. And China beat Japan in the Uber Cup final that was held in Denmark to reclaim Uber Cup title, and this is China's 15th Uber Cup title in out of 19 finals. And talking about Thomas Cup trophy, for this Indonesia has defeated China and won the crown. Okay, so correct answer is China and Indonesia, that is option number B. Question number 5. Which country won the SAFF football championship held in Male? So India defeated Nepal for its 8th championship title, and during the match Sunil Chhetri equaled the ace footballer Lionel Messi with his 80th international strike. So with this, Sunil Chhetri became the second highest goal scorer in international football among the active players. Question number 6. Praggnanandhaa, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which game? So he is Indian ace chess player, and he is one of the youngest grandmasters of the country. So he is related to chess. And why he was in news? Because recently he won Julius Baer Challengers chess tournament by winning against his American opponent named as Christopher Yu. So with this victory, Praggnanandhaa has also won $12,500 prize money, as well as the right to play with an elite set of chess champions at the Meltwater Champions Tour that is to be held in 2022. Question number 7. As of October 2021, who is the highest wicket taker in T20 international cricket? So Bangladesh all-rounder Shakib Al Hasan became the highest wicket taker in T20 international cricket, and he has surpassed Malinga's tally of 107 wickets. So Shakib has total 108 wickets from 89 T20 international games, and he is also the only cricketer to have double of 100 wickets and 1000 plus runs in this format. And the third cricketer in this list is Tim Southee, who belonged to New Zealand with total of 99 wickets. Okay. Now this question is homework for you. You have to tell me the answer of this question in comment section. So please try to participate in the comments. Question number 9. Which Indian cricketer, also an ICC Elite Panel match referee, has been awarded life membership of the Marylebone Cricket Club? So India's Harbhajan Singh and Javagal Srinath have been awarded life membership of MCC, and they have joined 16 other cricketers who were given the honour this year. And talking about Harbhajan Singh, he is the India's third highest wicket taker in Test with total of 417 wickets and more than 700 plus international wickets. And Srinath is an ICC Elite Panel match referee at present, and he is a fast bowler with 315 ODI wickets and 236 Test wickets. Okay, so correct answer is option number B. Question number 10. Which F1 racing driver won the title of US Grand Prix? So this is Max Verstappen, and he has defeated the 7-time world champion Lewis Hamilton, and Max Verstappen is a Belgian-Dutch racing driver currently competing in Formula 1. Question number 11. Kushagra Rawat and Srihari Nataraj are associated with which sport? So Kushagra Rawat, who belong to Delhi, and Srihari Nataraj, belonging to Karnataka, are Indian aquatic champions, and they have recently created new national records. Kushagra Rawat in 400 meters freestyle and Srihari Nataraj in 100 backstroke events, where at the 74th National Aquatic Championships. Okay. Question number 12. G. Sathiyan and Harmeet Desai, who were in the news recently, are associated with which sports? So recently they have claimed the World Table Tennis Contender title that was held in Tunisia, and it was their first tour doubles title, both individually and together, and they have not played doubles together since 2018 Commonwealth Games. And Sathiyan is world number 24 singles player, which is also the best rank any Indian has ever achieved, and Desai is currently at 73rd rank. So they are related to table tennis. Question number 13. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021 is announced to how many sport persons? So recently the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports has announced the National Sports Award 2021 recently, and 12 sports persons have been announced for the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, which is basically awarded to the spectacular and most outstanding performance in sports over a period of the previous 4 years. Okay. Also, 35 number of sports person will receive Arjuna Award this year. Fine. Question number 14. Which tennis player won his 6th Paris Masters title in 2021? So Novak Djokovic won his 6th Paris Masters title by defeating his Russian counterpart Daniil Medvedev. And Novak Djokovic is a Serbian player. Also is guaranteed to secure this year's world number 1 top spot for a record 7th time. Okay. Question number 15. Sankalp Gupta, who is seen in the news recently, is associated with which sport? So he belonged to Nagpur, and he is just 18 years old, and recently he has become the 71st Grandmaster of India, and he achieved this after completing 3rd and final norm at the GM Ask 3 round robin event. So 3 required GM norms were acquired by Sankalp Gupta in a record time of 24 days by playing 3 back-to-back tournaments. So correct answer is option number A. Question number 16. Billie Jean King Cup is associated with which sport? So this cup is an international women's tennis competition launched in the year 1963 to celebrate 50th anniversary of International Tennis Federation. So in this year's tournament that was held at Prague, the Russian team has defeated Switzerland to win the Billie Jean King Cup, and at the same time, Switzerland has alleged that Russians have replaced the players against the game rules. Okay, so this is related to tennis. Question number 17. Which racing driver has won the Mexico City Grand Prix tournament? So the Red Bull's Max Verstappen has achieved a dominant win in the Mexico City Grand Prix to rise 19 points above Lewis Hamilton in the Formula 1 Championship with 4 races remaining. So Lewis Hamilton was at second place. Third position was occupied by Sergio Perez. And already I have told you, Max Verstappen is a Belgian-Dutch racing driver. Question number 18. Manika Batra and Archana Girish Kamath, who recently won a global women's doubles title, are associated with which sports? So India's Manika Batra and Archana Girish Kamath won the women's double title at the World Table Tennis Contender LASCO 2021 event. So correct answer is table tennis. Question number 19. Mitrabha Guha, who was seen in the news sometime, is associated with which sports? So Mitrabha Guha became India's 72nd Grandmaster after he defeated Nikola Sedlak to bag his third and final GM norm at the tournament that was held in Serbia. So he is a resident of Calcutta and now he has 2511 ELO points. And already I have told you the 71st Grandmaster of India is Sankalp Gupta. So both of these questions are quite important. So correct answer is option number A. Question number 20. Manu Shah and Reeth Rishi, who were seen in the news, are associated with which sports? So recently they bagged the men's and women's singles title in the ITTF Ecuador International Open Table Tennis Tournament. And Reeth Rishi became the first Indian woman to win a singles crown in a Pro Tour, and she has beaten Ankita Das. So again they are related to table tennis. Lots of questions are there from table tennis and chess. Now question number 21. Varun Thakkar and KC Ganpati, who were in the news recently, are associated with which sport? So Indian sailors Varun Thakkar and KC Ganpati have won gold medal at the Asian Sailing Championships 2021 that was recently held at Oman. And with this victory, they are set to represent India at the World Championship that is scheduled to be held soon. And they have finished the event at 10th spot to clinch the medal and are the only Asian team to be in the top 10. Question number 22. Which racing driver won the Brazilian Grand Prix tournament? So this is again Lewis Hamilton. Second place was occupied by Max Verstappen and third was Valtteri Bottas. Question number 23. Which country won the T20 World Cup trophy in 2021? So recently Australia has won its T20 World Cup trophy after 14 years long wait. And Australia chased 173 run target set by the New Zealand due to Kane Williamson's 85 runs. So correct answer is option number B. And now coming to last question. Which sports body released new advice on transgender athlete rules? So the International Olympic Committee has released new advice on transgender athlete rules, and this new advice now seeks to shift the focus from individual testosterone levels. So also it called for evidence to prove when a performance advantage existed, and it highlighted that no athlete should be excluded from competing based on an unverified, alleged or perceived unfair competitive advantages due to their sex variations, physical appearance or transgender status. You can also watch a movie which is based on this concept named as Rashmi Rocket. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked the session. So these are the important news and events regarding sports related current affairs that were relevant from past 60 days. And now we'll meet again very soon with our next category. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, Meenuzat San is signing off.